Okay. So what is saying? This is saying 10 greater than 20. See some condition. This condition true means we have to give condition is true. If condition is not correct means it is a false. How to decide? Like if I want to do something, if condition is true, I want to do something. If condition is false, I want to do some other thing. This kind of things, if you want to do with the Java, we have to go with the conditional statements. First, we'll see what are different conditional statements. First one is if condition, if or else, both. Okay. Second one is if else ladder. One second. Automatically. Okay. We have a switch condition. We have also control statement only. You see in the documentation, we have if else ladder switch. These are we can call as a conditional statements. We'll go one by one. It will not take much time. It's very easy. We are all know already this time in the our maybe graduation BTech or degree. Just see if what if just if I want to perform some operation on whenever some condition is true. Okay, just for example, if age, it is converted. Give me 1 minute. I'll take new file. If condition is true, just for example, I'll give age equal to 19. Just I want to check if the age is greater than 18, then it is a major. Just print the major. If age is less than 18, just print the minor. Okay. How to decide? Here variable name is, just example, int variable name is 19. I want to check this condition is greater than 18 or not. How to check? This is if condition. So if condition always expect the Boolean expression. Whatever we are writing in this place, this should be Boolean expression. If you write something I equal to 0, it is Boolean. This expression not related to Boolean because we are assigning the value 10 value to I, but it is not written in the Boolean expression. Another thing, if I write, is this Boolean expression? No. Boolean means that particular expression should return the true or false. Okay. This one written what? This is a Boolean value. So the expression is written that Boolean value. So if the condition is true, then just I want to print okay. If the condition is false, print minor. Okay. Then fine. So if we talk about some points on that if condition, the condition should return Boolean value. Okay. This condition, what you are providing, this should be written Boolean value. If you are trying to write something other than Boolean value, to give a compile them error. I showed already. If I take example, 10 equal to 10. It is a Boolean or not. This expression. What is double equal to? Already I told in the operators concept. Double equal to means just to compare the two values. Compare means what will return the value. Should be true or false or something else.
True or false.
True or false. So this is also one conditional expression only. Sorry, Boolean expression only. Okay. The first point is the condition should return the Boolean value, either true or false. If you return the other than that, do a compile time error. Is it clear? First point.
Yeah.
Else block is optional. That means we can write simply if some condition open close. The else block is optional. Okay. Third point is else without if is compile error. Example is if I write simply only else, there is no if. Okay, there is no if. If I write like this, it is a compile time error. So if you write a if alone, that is possible. If you write a if else is possible, alone else is not possible in Java. Okay. If then else is allowed. So next point is between if and else, no statements allowed. Okay, just for example, if you take if and else, second, if some condition, if I take something here, int I equal to 20, again else, this is not allowed. So between else, if and else condition, there no statement is allowed. Okay, it should come after if, else should come automatically. If I write something in the middle, it should be compile error. Okay, these all these points are clear. The very simple point, though, so I'm not much concentrating. Response, please.
Yeah, bro, these all points are clear.
If anyone is not understanding these points, just tell now only, else you can ping in chat. So not able to talk. Okay. Then we'll go for if else ladder. What is ladder in general? What is ladder general?
Ladder is an object to climb any things like that we use in general.
Executes one condition from multiple statements.
If else ladder basically use whenever you want to check multiple conditions. Multiple conditions means just example, we have a salary, it is 10,000 or 1,000. Okay, just I want to give hike depends on the salary. Example, if salary is less than 1,000, then 5%. If salary is more than 5,000 and less than 10,000, then 4% or 3%. If the salary is between 10,000 to 20K, the hike will be 2%. If salary more than 20K, 1%. Okay, this is like multiple conditions, not like if else. If else is work only for condition is true something, if condition is false on something. But in this case, multiple conditions. If condition is this is satisfied 5%, if this is satisfied 3%, there are multiple conditions. If we want to go in this situation, we have to go with the if else ladder. Just for example, if salary less than 1,000, okay, then this if block will be executed. Then if it is not less than 1,000, go with second condition. else, again if. This is not else, it is again else if. If condition is not satisfied, then come here. Okay, what is second condition? It is between 1000 to 10,000. Okay, salary more than 1000 and salary less than 10,000. Then we have to go that how much percentage hike? 3%. Okay. The another condition is $10K, $20K. Let's take the same copy. 10, 20. What is the percentage here? 2. Okay. Next one is more than 20K. Default. There is no condition here. So more than 20K, 1%. So we are not writing any condition because more than 20K means by default it will be 1%. Okay, it's clear. If else ladder. We want to check more than one condition. Go over the if else ladder. Just say some points here. If else ladder, it will be start from if, and next if else. It will continue for a number of conditions. At last, else is optional. Else condition is optional. Even if you don't write else, there will be no error, no compile them error. Okay, else condition basically, if all these conditions are not satisfied, then only it will go into else block. Okay, if no condition is satisfied, then else will be executed. Is clear? If any third point is any condition is matched, then remaining else if conditions will not be checked. Okay, let's discuss this all these 3 points. So it will start with if. Okay, started with if, then it will go for the else if conditions. Okay, how many number of we have conditions, it will go up to n number of. Then the last one, else is optional always. Even if else right, not right, no problem. But if there is no condition is matched, so example, this condition is matched, then checking these conditions are not required. I mean, it will not check. When you like second, this condition second condition match, then third condition will not be checked. If third condition is checked, it is mainly it is true, the else condition will not be executed. Just for example, if any one condition is matched, then from there remaining conditions will not be checked. That means that it will not check even, it directly go for next. If condition is matched, then directly come here, it will execute if block, this if body, then come directly here at the end. Okay, the else condition, if is false, then come to else if. Else if is true, then it will execute else if block, then remaining will be not executed, even it will not be checked. That is if else ladder. Is it clear, this if else ladder?
Clear.
Okay, let's do simple example on if else ladder or if. Same example, if else ladder. Write a main method. What is the main method? What is syntax?
Public static void
Public
main.
main.
String marks.
Why main method? We have to write. Is required. If it's not required, what will happen? If we don't write main method, what will happen?
The JVM will not understand from where it needs to be called.
JVM will check the corresponding class, which class we are running. That class have main method or not. If it's not there, then it will throw error. No such main method declared
not
like
found.
that. Okay, if it is there, it will start from execution main method. Okay, fine. Int example salary equal to, I'm giving 10K. Just write if else condition now. If salary less than 10,000, just 1 second, I'm writing code directly. Yes, I want to give 5% each. If salary greater than 10,000 and salary less than 20K, then it is 4%. Next condition 20, 30. Okay. So in the case of second condition, 3% hike. In the case of here, 2. In the case of next condition, I'll take 40 to 50. Am I going fast? I'm going fast or slow only?
No, it's fine.
Yes, sir.
You stop me whenever I'm going fast.
Okay.
No hike for you. Okay. This is simple class I'm written. If you are not understanding this logic, just let me know now only. I'm going to run. And I want to introduce one more thing here directly. Up to now, we are checking. Okay, let's run this first. I'm saving this code. If else ladder. Dot Java. Okay. This colors, this thing completely supported by ID, this 8+ only. Okay, it's not about Java. If we are type like this dot Java means it feels the 8+ know already what are the inbuilt keywords or methods class are there. That is why it is showing colors according to that. Okay, then fine, run this application, open this command prompt. How to run? How to run this? Java.
Java C
Java C class name is Java.
Why Java C? Why Java C?
For compiling the code.
Can't I run directly run without compile?
Yeah, you can run because the ID is already compiled.
Code already compiled? No, code already not compiled because this is first time I'm compiling. Okay.
Index.
This is not ID. This is a notepad only. IDs will compile automatically, but this notepad is not compiled. Okay, just run this Java. If ladder. No hike. 10,000 no hike. Huh? Okay. Okay, less than equal to. Okay, okay. Is correct? Sharing, no? Instead of that, I will take directly 9,000 for now. 9,000 means how much will come? hike
5%.
5%.
5%. Okay. I'm compiling again. Run 5% hike. Just test with that 15,000. How much it will come? 15,000 means it will come
4%.
4%. Okay. So every time if you want to check all the cases, I have to change here, again compile, again run. These things are not required. We have a one class, inbuilt supported class. So I want to give directly input at runtime. Instead of hard coding here, I want to give inputs runtime from the keyword. We have to use scanner class. What is the scanner class? Scanner. Okay. It is a class used to take input from keyboard at runtime. Okay. While running this class only, after run this command, it has to wait up to enter the some value from keyboard. Okay. If you want to do like that, you can use scanner class. Let's see example first, then go theory. I want to take scanner class here. Scanner yes equal to new scanner. This is the way of creating scanner object. Okay. Just I'm asking user I'm asking user to enter the salary. Okay. This is a simple SOP. Please enter salary. After printing this line, the command will be wait up to enter the value by user. Scanner class is a class of keyword. Scanner is a class. It is a class. That's why we are creating object. Okay. It is a class because we are using new keyword. New object it will create for a class or keyword or interface. For class only will create. Just go yesterday class. For class only will create a object. Okay. So to take the input, we have to call one method next int. I think next int. That value we have to take into salary variable. Okay. What next int it will do? It will just go example first. Run this. Okay. Compile cannot find symbol. Okay. Import. What is import keyword? Yesterday I told.
To import packages.
Import. To tell to Java compiler where is our class file location. Okay. So it is saying in the while I compile the code, it is saying something. Just see the error clearly. So understanding these errors is very much important in real-time applications. Maybe it may be compile time errors or runtime errors. Okay, we have to solve yourself only. So it is saying if else ladder is a class. Okay, in this class, line number 3, go to line number 3. Here. Okay, line number 3 means remove this. Okay, line number 3, this one, scanner. Okay, in the line number 3, cannot find symbol. What symbol? Scanner. You told something scanner. What is the scanner? I don't know. It is saying symbol scanner not found. Location class. If else ladder. Okay. We have to tell scanner is a class. Scanner is a class. Please go and get this from corresponding package. That this is inbuilt class, so we have to tell the location. It is there in the java.util.scanner. Okay, go on this folder Java util. In there is scanner class. Use that. Okay. Now compile. It is compiled. Is this clear now? Import keyword.
Yes.
Now run this. It is asking please enter salary. Okay, I'll enter. 12,000. 4% hike. Okay. Again, completed. Execution completed. They ask not again. So we want to run again. Run this. Now asking again the value. Now I'm not compiling. Directly I'm running the application. So if I give that 5,000, 5% hike.
I will left some.
Okay. Okay. So now enter value 50,000 or 5 lakhs. No high for you. Okay. 50,000 no, don't match because I did not written the equals condition. We done equals to like that. Now enter 45,000. No high for you. Now enter 35,000. 2% high. Is clear, right? This is an example. First thing here is if else ladder. If you want to check multiple conditions, you can go with the if else. Only single condition means you can go with the if. So condition is true something, if condition is false something, go with the if else. If else ladder. These three is clear. Everyone, please reply.
Clear.
If anyone is not clear, you can speak out, you can chat, send a message in chat. Okay, fine. So I'll give one simple examples here. Just tell me which one is suitable. Just see simple case. If the corresponding that number, just I'm giving one number, int a equal to 25. I want to check if number is equal to, sorry, it is even number. If it is even number, then just print even. If it is odd number, just print odd. Okay. Then which one is suitable among these three? If else ladder.
If.
Here two things.
If else.
Number is even, just print the even. If number is odd, then print the odd. Okay. If number is even, then print even. If it is not even, then print odd. Which one is better?
If also it's
This simple thing. How to check the number even or odd?
By getting divide the number and getting the remainder value 1.
Divided by
2
2.
2.
equal
If it is
remainder value has to be
equal to 0, then it's n.
Remainder means we have to take percentile, not divide by.
yeah.
This is a modulus operator. Okay, if condition is true, then print even. If condition is false, print odd. So which one is correct here? If else or if else ladder?
If else.
If else. Okay. So if I take another example, if name is start with yes. Okay. Yes, we have to print lucky fellow. Okay. If the name start with yes, we have to print lucky fellow. Okay. Yes. How to take name? Int name equal to
Name is a string.
name is a string. Then what is the
Yes,
incorrect
data
here?
type. String. We need to take data type as a string.
Okay. Is fine now.
And in Kasi, we need to put in double quotation marks.
Okay. Okay. Then tell me, just use yesterday's string class methods. Which method is suitable to check first letter is start with yes or not? Either maybe small s, capital S, both are fine for me. How to check?
Carrot.
Carrot.
Function.
Yes,
Carrot also one.
Yes, carrot also fine. The what is name? Another approach. There is another method also.
String dot start.
String dot start. Yes.
Start with.
Start with I think. Okay. Okay. Just check if name char at 0 or 1. 1.
0 only.
Why 1? Why 0? Why 1?
Index always starts from 0
Start
only.
with 0 only.
Right. Right. So name dot caret value is 0. Then print lucky fellow. Is it correct?
No.
This is correct. Just check from if 3 lines
Equal
completely.
to yes.
Equal to double equal to yes. We need to keep after.
Double equal to yes. Okay. Now print the lucky fellow. That is fine. What is another approach? If name
Name dot
dot
starts
start with 0 equal to
Yes.
yes.
start with, we can directly use insert.
Huh? Start with not 0.
We
We
use
want to check
character
start
Yes.
instead of-
yes.
We can use character
Okay, yes.
instead of-
Then if it is true, print a lucky fellow. Anything mistake you found? Line number 63.
Yeah, double equal to is not needed right over. We already mentioned starts with yes or no.
Yes, start with yes. Okay, but I think the start with method take string argument, not character. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, if I want to check here, fine. S is checking with first letter is fine. I want to check either small s or capital S. Okay, even if I enter that name value, okay, or name value, both. If I enter both capital S or small s, should check both cases. How to check? Simple. First name convert into everything to lower case. Okay. First simple convert name into lower case, then check. Okay. Now it is converted everything to lower. Okay. Capital S to small s. Anyway, U, B, B, A, both all are small only. We'll use the same like that. Okay. Now it is converted into like this. Now check character value is small s or start with small s. This is the first approach. Second approach is name equal to name dot to uppercase. Convert everything into uppercase, then check capital S. Is clear?
Yes.
Clear.
This is the second approach. First one, second one, third one. Third approach is just use two conditions here. Caret of equal to 0 and R. What is R means?
It will check either this one condition is true or any one of the conditions coming to be.
Okay, this is R. This is smallest. Okay. What we are doing here if condition, if a character value is first character value is smallest or first character value is this is capital S, this is smallest. If anything is true, a complete condition will be true. That's what I told in the operator concept, double R operation. Okay, it's clear.
Yeah, clear.
One second. Okay. So if either these are true or second one is true. Any one is true, then the complete condition will be true. Okay. Both are false, complete condition will be false.
False.
Okay. So it will check the R operation. I explain again. R operation basically it will check first condition and second condition. But double R operation will be checked only in one
Only
condition.
first condition.
If first condition is true, anyway, even second condition is true or false, the complete condition is true, right? That is why second condition is optional. If first condition is false, then second condition is definitely you have to check. Because if second condition is false, then this will be executed if condition. If second condition is true, first condition is false. I'm confusing. Can you explain again? One second. How R condition will be work? Double R.
First, it will check first condition. If first condition true, then statement will execute directly. If first condition is false, then go with second condition. If second condition true, then result will be true. If second condition also false, then the result will be false.
Okay. This is condition 1, condition true. Okay. This is for I'm telling about double R operator. It is a result, final result. Okay. Just take condition 1 is true. Do we need to check second condition? It will not require because even it is true, if it is not false, true or false, both cases result will be true. Okay, result will be true. That is why no need to check second condition. If first condition is false, we have to check second condition because based on second condition output only final result will be decided. This example, second condition is true. Then what will happen output?
True.
Second condition true means it will be true. Second condition is false means it will be false. Okay. We are checking that second condition because first condition is false. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Anyway, it's already explained. You can go through the videos. If it's still not understand, just tell me. I will explain again. Everyone clear? This double R operator it is very important in real time also. If you write single R operation, definitely they will ask in the core review time. Why you are using single R operator? Clear? Everyone, please reply.
Clear.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Clear.
So if else ladder, this 3 is completed. Then go for the switch. The last one is switch in the conditional statement. What is switch? If any expression is matched, okay. If any expression is matched, the corresponding case will be executed. Just for example, I have multiple conditions. This is nearly more than 100 example, more than 100, more than 1000. Then we have to, if we use the example, the if-else ladder, how many times we have to use the if-else ladder? It will go complete thing in a single file only. Okay. Further, to avoid that, we have a switch condition simple. How it will look like? Just go syntax here. Switch. Provide some value here. Switch condition, it will accept multiple things. Whether maybe true or false, some values also. Okay. Just for a first thing, switch arguments will accept not only Boolean. Okay, it will accept Boolean, int, string. Okay, byte chart, this also character also. Okay. Okay, fine. Example, not example, syntax. First, we'll check whether the value is matched with V1. Okay, if value is matched with V1, then execute some statements here. Okay, case one body. Case one body. This body may be multiple lines, no problem. Then we have to give the break. Listen carefully, this is somewhat complex than if else ladder. Second one is V2, case V2. If case V2 is matched, this body will be executed. Like that, we have a multiple cases we can write, no limit on that. Yeah. Okay. I taken 3 to 4 cases. There is a break statement in that middle. I'll explain each and every keyword here by using that case break. Okay. Break. Last one is default. This is about switch condition. Okay. Let's see some points on this. Okay. So if you see this if switch, in the switch, we have a keyword called switch to provide the expression or some value. It will accept not only Boolean. Okay. Other than Boolean, it will accept string, integer, character, anything. Just for example, I'm declaring one value here. Just I'm giving value equal to V1. If the value matched with any case, so V1 match, right? The corresponding body will be executed. Okay, then it will break. It will break means directly come out of this up to here. It will not execute remaining cases. Okay. If we see V1 is not matched, then go for V2. V2 is matched, then execute this case 2 body. And after execution case 2 body, it will go for the break. Okay. V1, V2, V3, V4. V5. Okay. So no other case is matched. When given a value is V6, V1 not matched, V2 not matched, V3 not matched, V4 also not matched, V5 also not. Then what is the last one? Default. If no one case is matched, then go for default, execute default body. In default body means any statements here, it will be executed. Okay. Then is it clear? Next thing is, if that next point, very important point, if the case one is matched, okay, then case one body will be executed. If it is not their break statement, what will happen? If it is not their break statement, it will continue for the rest of all the cases. Even this case not matched, even this case 2 not matched. Still, it will go for the case 2 body. If there is no break here, then it will go for the case 3 body. If still it not there here, then go for the case 4 body. Here, if it there case 4 break statement, then it will break here. That means wherever the case is matched, till to it will find a break statement that all statements will be executed. Okay, it's clear? If it is not matched any case, then it will go for the default case. This default one is optional. Default one is optional. I'll give the points again later. Okay, let's see one example. Again, come back to here. Switch example. class switch example. Again, main method, copy this from here. Okay. I'm just this example basically what it is. If I give the weekday, just example, I'm giving the string day equal to today, Wednesday. Okay. So if it is a Wednesday, I have to provide some case conditions. Just example, if the day is Monday, then we have to tell today only is work start day. I have to print like today only work start day. If day is Tuesday, this is second day work. Day is Wednesday, still you have to wait 3 more days for the weekend. Okay. The day is Thursday, then you are near to the weekend. Day is Friday, only 1 day left for weekend. Day is Saturday, enjoy weekend. Day is Sunday, this is last day for weekend. Okay, this is my functionality. This is my use case. How to implement this with the switch statement. Okay, just I'm taking a variable day. Okay, so how to take the case keyword. Case, it is a Monday. If it is a Monday, this is not semicolon, this is a colon. Remember that. Okay. Then I have to write system.out.println. If day is Monday, then I have to print work start day. Okay. Now I'm going to write break statement here. Okay. Like that, we can take multiple classes. Okay. Fine. Second one is day is work second day. Next one is day is. What is the after that? Tuesday. Wait 2 days for week end. Okay. Friday. Last work day in week. What is next one? Sunday. Okay, is this clear? So next one is last default case. Default case, if I enter not case any match, then we can give us some statement like please enter valid day. Okay, this is the code. Okay, just see the first implementation, then we'll execute this. Okay, anything not understand here? Case Monday, print something, break. Case Tuesday, print something, break. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So if I talk about this more examples are some important points. If I give the date as Wednesday, what will happen?
Hard work.
What will happen according to your knowledge?
Both third day will be print.
Good. WDNES. WDNES. Okay. So if I get input is Wednesday, the corresponding case match here, then it will be executed, it will come out of break. If I give a case Monday, it is matched here, then execute, print that work start day. So it will break, it will not execute remaining cases. Okay. So another one is like the case one is matched with the Friday, then it will execute last working day in the week, then come out of the switch condition. The no case is matched, then directly it will print please enter valid date, valid day. Okay, this is like functionality or code to a simple example for the switch statement. Just execute this. Okay, we'll discuss more points on this. I'm saving this code with the class name. Okay, let's run this. How to run JavaScript command. Switch. You find something. Spelling mistake. STRING. Is clear? Cannot find symbol. STRIG. Spelling mistake. Okay. Okay. Run again. Compiled. Then run Java switch. I given Wednesday, so it is given work Thursday. Now take this day from the scanner class. What is the scanner class?
Scanner S equal to new scanner.
What is the use of this?
To take input from keyboard.
Okay, to take input from keyboard. Instead of hard coding here, we will take input from the keyboard. Day equal to next line. This is not next print. Next int means if you want to convert after entering this value, if you want to convert into int, next int. If you want to convert into string, you can use next line like that. Okay, just before that, I will give one SOP statement. Please enter day. Let's compile this again. Import. Why did you give me error?
Scanner SC is
Scanner
Import the
class.
scanner class, right?
Scanner.
We need to
Scanner
import the
class is not.
Okay, I can use Java scanner like here. Okay, but instead of that, I can use Java star. Java star means anything in that util package, use all the classes if required. Okay, if required, conditions apply here. If required, you can use any class in that package. So want to use only particular classes, just we can use provide that class name here. In this case, only import that corresponding scanner class. If you use star, just import everything in that package. Okay. Switch, compile. I'm running this class. Please enter day. I'm giving Monday. Work start day. Okay, I'll again run this. Give that date as a Friday. This is last day. I'm giving the different value. Day value is ABC. ABC means what will happen? Any case you match here is ABC.
Default statement will be executed.
No case you match, then come to default. Please enter valid day. Okay, this is the first point. Okay, this is the first point to understand. Write something here. If case is match, then that case body will be executed. Okay, until it found break statement. Okay, we'll understand this point. Until found break statement. What is that? Just for example, in the code, I'm removing this break statement in the Monday. I'm remove the break statement. If I try to run, what will happen? It will compile. There's no issue because break is a optional keyword. If I try to run, it is asking please enter day. I'm entering Monday. Entering Monday. So what is the output? According to previous example, it is a work start day. But what it is printing? Work start day and work second day also. So once the case is matched, until it found break statement, all the body will be executed. Okay, here break statement is not there. That is why it is came up to Tuesday. Just to understand again, I'm removing the break statement in the Tuesday also. Now compile everything. Class run, enter Monday. What is the output now? Response, everyone.
Work start day to work 30 day.
Work start day to
Work 30 day.
okay. Right? What you understood? Once the case is matched, till to the found break statement, till that case, all the body will be executed. Okay. That is, we can call as a fall through in the switch statement. Fall through means once the case match, then till to found break statement, all the body part will be executed. All the cases will be executed. That is called fall through. Remember the word fall through. Okay. Okay. Next one is in that here break is optional. Already I told. Okay, we can remove the break. That is optional. This default also optional. Even if you don't write default, it will be compiled. There is no issue in that code. It is compiled. Okay, please enter day. If I enter the day value is maybe Friday, Saturday. Happy weekend. Okay, that means break is optional. So break is not there now. I'm giving that value as a ABC. Now what will execute? No case is matched here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. No one is matched. No case is matched. Then what is the output? Nothing. Because no case is matched here. Then what it has to execute? Nothing. Okay. So what is the remaining important statement here? Break is optional and default also optional. Okay. Okay, fine. So example, if you write another thing default here, I'm writing default in the starting. Default. Okay. I'm writing in the starting only. First case default only. In this case, what will happen? In this case, it will first it will execute default value. Okay, even default is there. Okay, it didn't start, right? So first it will execute default. Let's check that. Compile. Enter day. Monday, a given Monday, but it started Monday and work start day. Okay, work start day, only work start day. 1 second, 1 second. Default. Okay, if I give that ABC, please validate. Okay, so default, if I write in the starting, what will happen? First, it will check what case it is matching. Okay, if I give input day as a Monday, here it is matched. Okay, it will execute here. Okay, if it Tuesday matched, if it execute here. If the no one is matched, then what it will go here? Default. Okay, no case is matched means it will go for default. So after default, there is any break statement? No, then what will happen? Up to found that break statement, it will go until that execution. Same thing will happen here. I given ABC, pass, it is not matched, then enter into the default case. After default, there is no break statement, then again it executed the Monday also. Then if you try to add break here, this point I'm not much aware, just check it will work or not. Compiled, fine. So break we can add with the default also. Run, I'm entering ABC. Please enter valid day. Then it is not printed work day now. Because any place, maybe default in starting, maybe default is at ending. Both cases, once the case is matched, it may be case statement, default. Anything it is matched, then until found default set keyword, it will execute all the cases. Is it clear this point? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Let me know if it is not clear. Now I'll explain again. If default is at start of switch, statement, if default case is matched, okay, up to find break statement, all body will be executed. Okay. Break is applicable for default also. Okay. In the previous case, we written the default at the end. Okay. We written default at the end. So no one is case match, no case match, then it will go for default case. So default case, it will enter. Even if the break statement not there at default, then there no nothing to execute before that. Sorry, after that. Okay. Just to explain again, I'm taking the default case to last. I'm taking default to last. Even the break statement is not matched. In this case, if I enter the day value as ABC or XYZ, no case will be matched. It will come to default. Default will be executed. After that, nothing to execute in the switch. Nothing to execute in the switch. That's why did not print anything. So that means break is applicable for default also. Okay. After default, can we write again? Can we write first to default here? Here starting also default is there. After ending also default is there. If I put default here, default. Okay. So mistakenly I written a code like that. There is a 2 defaults. Okay. There is a 2 defaults here on top also. Let's try to compile this. It should not be work because 2 defaults not allowed in Java. The error. Okay. Just remove one thing. Write default at the end only, but I'm writing another case after default. Let's check this is valid or not. Okay, I'm writing another case. I'm taking the Sunday to last. Okay, after default, we are writing something. Before default, there is something. Should be valid. Break, where is break? Break is not a colon. Okay. This is compiled. So break statement we can take anywhere between that case statements, after the case, before the case. Okay, break can be used anywhere. Once the break condition matched, sorry, once the default is matched. Example, if I give the ABC as a day value, default matched here, then it will execute until the break found. Okay, example, if this is not there, the day value is ABC, then what is the output? Response back. Waiting for response.
Please
The
enter
day-
day and enjoy last day in weekend. Both will be print.
Okay, fine. Okay, that is correct. Because until it found break statement, it will execute all the cases once the case is matched. Okay, that is about break statement and the switch statement case, these 3. Okay, if you are not understanding this, okay, you can tell me now. I will explain again, or else we'll go for the next concept. It is a control statements. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, let's go another topic. Some loop conditions. We know that we have a multiple loops in our languages, maybe C or C++. In Java also we have loops concepts. Example, for loop, while, for each, do while. Okay, these are 4 possible loops in Java. Okay, these are, you know that all are know about for loops. I'll go like at least once for each example. So what is for loop? First, what is loop? What is loop?
Loop is a function to
Loop is not a
initialize
function. Loop is not a function.
Loop is a repeating statement.
Okay. Okay, so want to execute some part of code repeatedly up to certain number of times. Okay, want to execute some block or code, some methods, anything, execute some piece of code, I can say. Piece of code up to certain number of times. You can go over loops. Just for example, I want to print the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, how can I print? Okay, just example, I want to print numbers 1 to 10. How can I print? How can I print? No idea? Without loops, how to print? We can't print 1 to 10 elements, 1 to 10 numbers without loops.
Individually by printing every number.
Okay. Just take like this. Just print values 1 to 10. It will print, right? No issue. There's no problem. Why we need to go for loops again? Okay. You can go with
But every time we need to print individually for every individual.
okay. Now I'm asking 1 to 10. We are writing like this. I'm asking 1 to 10,000. Can you write like this? How much it will take?
Too much of time.
It's take long time.
Okay. This is nothing like only you are repeating that to print the some value from starting position to ending position. Okay. These things why we cannot do in another approach. The another approach we can call as a loop. Okay. We can do with same thing with the for loop, while loop, do while loop for each also. Just go with the for loop for now. For loop syntax is first section 1, section 2, section 3, then body. Okay, this is the syntax of for loop. So, what is the section 1?
Initialization.
It is a initialization section. What is initialization section?
Initialize a variable.
Initialization section. What is section 2?
Expression.
Condition.
Now check.
Conditional checking.
Section 3.
Increment or decrement.
Increment or decrement. Okay. So, very first important point. These all sections are optional. All sections are optional. That means you can write a for loop. First one is optional, second one is optional, third one also optional. This is the valid for loop in Java. Okay, if it is optional, what is the default value? See, no default value. Condition check is by default value is false. False, I think. Third one is no default. Okay. Next point. Section 1 will execute only once in entire loop. Section 1 will be executed only once. That means this part will be executed only once in entire loop. Okay. Next, third point. Section 2 will execute for every loop. Okay, section 2 and section 3 also. Okay. So we'll go for simple example just to print same 1 to 10. Okay, we'll take simple example. Before that, when we have to go for the for loop, very important question, interview question. When we have to go for loop.
If we know exactly how many times the loop will repeat, then we'll go with for loop.
Right. When we know the starting point where we have to start and where we have to end. Starting point and ending point. In this situation, maybe in this example, I know it starts with 1, ends with 10. So in this case, the best approach is for loop. What is the example? Take example here for int. What is the I? It is a number or string or character Boolean. It is
Number.
a Boolean.
Int.
Is number?
Number.
Okay. start with 1. Then up to, we have to go through loop, number reaches up to 10. Okay, I value
Less than or equal to
10. Okay, then how to print? So 1, 2, 3.
I-
What is the difference? 1 to 2 difference is 1. 2 to 3 difference is 1. That means every time we have to increment only once. That means we can use I plus plus. I plus plus you can use I equal to I plus 1 also you can use. Both is fine. Simply we can use shortcut approach I plus plus. Then print this value. SOB of I. Easy to print 1 to 10. Take example, simple code. Class for example, main method. Void okay. This is system dot of I. Okay, this is simple code. Try to compile this first. Save. Compile. Java C. Fine. Java. Is this correct? Started with 1 up to 10. Now I want to print 1 to 100. Just change here. Again compile. Run. Okay. This I want to print 1, 4. Okay. 1, 4, 8. Maybe I plus 3, 7. Like that. It has to print. How to print? I equal to I plus 3. Just try this. Okay, up to 20 is fine. 20 or 30 fine. Compile, run 1, 4, 7, 10. Is clear? Just we have to check what is the first. First one is initialization. Initialize at 1. Next up to where? Up to 30 numbers I want. Okay. I given I given equal to 30. Then how much difference is there? 3. I plus 3. Okay. So your main point is this will be executed only once. Okay. This will be executed always. This also will be executed always. Up to what? Once the condition is false, this loop come out of the outside. If the condition is true, then execute body. Okay. If it is clear.
Clear.
Oh, pen not working. Okay. 1 second. I'm taking for loop sample here. In I equal to 1, 5, I plus. In that, it is a body part. I'm printing SOP of I simple. So this will be executed only once. Then now I value is 1. Okay. So after executing 1, definitely it will go for conditional check. Okay, just take this is a 1, this is a 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Okay. First one is initialization section. Second one is conditional check section. Third one is increment or decrement section. Fourth one is body part. Okay, first it will execute installation section, section 1, only once. Remember that only once, I equal to 1. Then immediately it will go for conditional check section. It is section 2. If I less than equal to 5, I value is less than 5, right? I value, what is I value now? 1. It is a condition is listening, sleeping, eating. What are doing? Wait, no response.
Listening only.
Condition is I value is 1. 1 less than equal to 5. Is true or not?
Oh, true.
Yeah, it's true.
It is true. It is true means it will go for immediately body part. Okay, it will print the value 1. Then again it will go for increment or decrement section. What doing incrementing by 1? I plus plus means increment by 1. Now I value is 2. Again check conditional. Conditional is true or not? Now value is 2. No, value is 2. Condition true or not? It is true.
True.
So condition true means go again to body. Print the value. Value is 2. Again go to that conditional check. Sorry, increment or decrement. Now value is 3. Again check condition 3 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. Again condition true means go body. Okay. Condition true means go body. Then value print. What the value is? 3. Again go increment or decrement. Third section. Increment the value to 4. Okay. Condition check. It is a true. Print the value. Again go to that increment or decrement. Value is 5. Okay. Condition check. Still it is true. Print the value. Now value is 6. The value I value is 6. Condition check. Condition check is true. Then go to body. Print the value. Correct? When the condition is the value is 6, then what is the condition? 6 less than equal to 5.
It will fail.
It is false. First thing, it is false. It is a false means once it comes as a false, come completely out of the loop. That is the logic. If the condition is true, execute body. If condition is false, come out of the loop. Condition true means it will execute always the body part. Once the condition false means come out of completely out of the loop. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? This is very, very important. Simple loop also. If you are not understanding, tell me immediately. Is it clear? Everyone, please answer.
Yes, it's
Clear.
clear. Yes.
Okay. Today we can stop here.
Mm.
Tomorrow I'll
Motherless.
continue the for loop. Someone asking. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue. I'll discuss again the for loop. Then I'll go to while, do while for each. Okay, tomorrow initial 20 or 30 minutes will be the same loops concept only. Then we'll go for arrays. Okay, arrays is very, very important. If you understood arrays, then the concept of collections is very, very simple. I can say very simple. If you know the collections, no core Java is simple. Okay, understand logic, right? If you know that arrays, collection is easy. If you know that collections, core Java easy. Up to now, whatever discussed, this is a very basic, very, very basic. These things we can observe in that any language, C or C++, .NET, whatever. But from up to here basis only, next we will discuss actual Java subject. We'll go arrays, declare arrays, okay, oops concept, exception handling. From now, everything important. Whoever not practiced up to now, do practice immediately. Once we start actual subject, it is very complex to understand. Okay.